Why are hub-centric spacers better? Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day!